Hi children, today we are going to discuss quadratic equation finding the roots by using complete squaring method. So last class we discussed how to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the factorization method. In that case we took one quadratic equation, we got the roots of x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 as minus 3 minus 1. We got two roots, minus 3 minus 1. Now in this class we are taking same example but using the another method, which is complete squaring method. So we'll see the result whether we are going to get same roots or not. So in this completing squaring method, first whatever the given quadratic equation, you have to take given quadratic equation and we should write this as either a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form. So if you observe here, a square means x square plus 4x is there. So here possible chances a plus b whole square form. That means x square I am writing. So consider x as a square plus next a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now x consider as a means a square means x square, 2 times of a means x and b means what, remaining term 2. So 2ab. Now here but we will consider 2 as a constant. So to become a plus b whole square means we have to write 2 square. See, observe properly. A square means x square, 2ab means 2, a already we consider as ax, the remaining term will be 4, and if we add 2 square only, this complete will be a plus b whole square, and as well as we have to subtract, then remaining 3 we should write as it is. Why we are adding and subtracting? To add only these 3 terms gives as a formula of a plus b whole square, and subtract only this value won't change. If you are not subtracted, this value will be changed. Now this we will consider as a plus b whole square form, that we can write x plus 2 whole square, because a square means x square, 2ab plus b square, b means what, 2. Here 2 square means 4 plus 3 equal to 0. Now x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 equal to 0. Now x plus 2 whole square equal to minus 1 goes that side, plus 1. Square also we can send it. X plus 2 whole square equal to x plus 2 equal to square goes that side, plus or minus square root of 1. Plus or minus square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Now we can write two ways here. Here x plus 2 equal to plus 1 we can write, and x plus 2 equal to minus 1 also you can write. From that x equal to plus 1, plus 2 goes that side, minus 2, so x will be minus 1. Here x equal to minus 1, plus 2 goes to RHS side, minus 2. Then here x will be minus 3. Therefore roots of x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 is minus 3 and minus 1. So if you observe properly, last class we did the same example by using factorization method. we got minus 3 minus 1 only, and this method by using complete squaring method also we got minus 3 minus 1. That means any method you can use, the final result will be same. So this is the process about completing squaring method. Here only one important thing what now, whatever the given quadratic equation, you should convert into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Based on the sign, you can take either a plus b or a minus b. Here sign will be plus, I took as a plus b. Here is minus and a minus b. And one more important thing, here coefficient of x square must be 1. Coefficient of x square must be 1. Clear? H. Next. So we'll see one more example. Quadratic equation, finding the roots by using the completing squaring method. So example 2. Find the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 11x plus 28 equal to 0. So you are going to get at most 2 roots of the quadratic equation. Here given equation is x square minus 11x plus 28 equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 1. Now here if you observe first 2 terms, x square minus 11x is there. X square minus 11x is there. That means this we can able to write a minus b whole square form only. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this I am writing x square minus 2 times of a means what? X. B means 11 by 2 you should take. Then only here 2 and these 2 will cancel, the remaining term will be 11x will be equal. If you are not able to take 2 now, it will become 22, not there in the question. Hope you understand, children. Minus 2 times of a means x, b means 11 by 2. Now what is a b? In the place of b, what will be there now? 11 by 2 we have to take as a b. So we added 11 by 2 whole square. So immediately you have to subtract the same number. Plus 28 equal to 0. Hope you understand, children. Now if you consider, if you observe, this is a minus b whole square formula. That is a minus b means 11 by 2 whole square minus 11 square is 121, 2 square is 4 plus 28 equal to 0. Now we can simplify these two terms. X minus 11 by 2 whole square minus 121 plus 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 11 by taking the LCM. Now we can simplify this. X minus 11 by 2 whole square, here plus 121 minus 120, minus 121 plus 112. So both are different and you can subtract. So 11 minus 2 9, so minus 9. So minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. Now x minus 11 by 2 whole square equal to minus 9 by 4 goes to RHS side, plus 9 by 4. Then x minus 1 by 2 equal to square goes that side, square root. So plus or minus square root of 9 by 4. So x minus 11 by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 9 means 3, square root of 4 is 2. So x minus 11 by 2 equal to plus 3 by 2. Another case, x minus 11 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2, because plus or minus na 2 cases we have to take. So x equal to minus 11 by 2 will become plus 11 by 2. Here plus 3 by 2 is there. So x will be, denominator is same 2, so we can add the numerator. So 11 plus 3 by 2, so x equal to 14 by 2, so x will be 7. Now another case, x equal to 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2, denominator is same 11 minus 3 by 2, so x equal to 8 by 2, so x equal to 4. Therefore roots of x square minus 11 x plus 28 equal to 0 is 7 and 4. So this is the children's, if they given one quadratic equation, how to find the roots by using the completing squaring method. Now we are going to discuss third method. So third method means by using quadratic formula. So what is a quadratic formula means? Here we are going to find x value, thus x will be minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By using this formula we are going to find directly roots. Here plus or minus, so that's why we are going to get 2 roots. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Based on this one we are going to decide what roots we are going to get. It is denoted by delta or capital D symbol. Now going to one question, I am taking one question. By using completing square method we will see what is the answer. So example 1. So find the roots of x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula method. So given equation we can write, given equation is x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So we should compare with general form of quadratic equation. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 3. Then quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we are going to substitute these values in the formula. Minus b means 4 plus or minus square root of b square means 4 square, 4 into a means 1, b means c means 3, by 2 times of 1 means 1, a means 1, minus 4 plus or minus square root 16 minus 4 3s are 12 by 2 1s are 2. minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So minus 4 plus or minus 2 by 2. Here plus or minus, now we should write two cases. Minus 1 plus 2 by 2 comma minus 4 minus 2 by 2. This will be minus 2 by 2, it is 1 comma it is minus 6 by 2, minus 1 here, minus 3. So if you observe or not, so we got same equation for factorization, and by using complete square method we got minus 3 minus 1. So here also we got minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 3 are roots of x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So now I am giving one question, children. So can you please try this? So find the roots of x square minus 11x plus 28 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula method. Why I am giving this question means, here already I took this equation by using completing square method, so I got answers 7 and 4. So if you try by using complete square method, you also must get answer is 7 comma 4 only. So just to try this question alone if you understand. So the remaining continuation of this quadratic equation, that means discriminant means what, how it will be used, where we will use, what is the, how we will get, we can understand what kind of roots we are going to get when it is. So this we will discuss the upcoming classes. So in this video what we discussed now, we learned here finding the roots by using complete square method and finding the roots of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula method. So thank you, children.